Good morning, everyone, and welcome back to week 6 of distance learning. Today, Sunday, the 26th of April. So, two fantastic things have happened, I think. One is it is the holy month of Ramadan. It started on Friday, so Ramadan Kareem to all of our students and CAS families who are celebrating Ramadan, this holy month. And secondly, is I'm very confident many of you have taken advantage of the restrictions that were lifted a little bit from us from the UAE authorities, and I'm pleased to know that we've been given a bit more time to just actually go outside and stretch our legs a little bit. So I'm sure many of you have taken advantage of that this week. So many of you are aware that our Ramadan learning hours are into place. That's from 9 till 2 o'clock. Some of you might be going in the morning, oh, come on, I want to just get on with it. But please think about how you utilize that time, perhaps if it is exercising, getting outside, getting some fresh air. That's much needed before you get on with your learning. Also, in terms of the timings, as you can see, period 1, 3, and 5, as I highlighted before, those are only 35 minutes, and the other periods, 2, 4, and 6, are 40 minutes. But what's really important is to think about is it is a smaller period of time, and so you're going to have to get down to business much quicker and sooner than what you would normally. So stay focused, stay sharp, and make sure you're asking questions and being on top of your game to make sure you're getting the maximum amount of learning time within that short, restricted time period. Okay? So again, please be respectful, be courteous, and be fantastic students that you are. This week on Monday, our Progress 2 reports come out. Please have a look at those. Some of you obviously are hitting above targets, some of you are at, some of you are below even. And I think it's important that you look at the strengths that your teachers have given you, and you look at areas for recommendations with the teachers have highlighted, which you can certainly improve on. Okay, so that comes out on Monday. Please, again, go back and ask questions, have discussions with your parents, ask questions with your teachers about how you can make improvements moving forward, going up until the end of semester 2. And at the end of this week, we have International Day. So I will certainly be sharing some of my Canadian recipes with you, but there's tons of different ways you can get involved with International Day, and we are looking to celebrating all the amazing and diverse cultures and nationalities that we do have within the Collegiate American School. So please get stuck in, do get involved on Thursday. We're looking forward to seeing you get involved on that day. And lastly, I'm sure many of you have already seen and heard Mr. Major, Miss Nyberg, and myself have been in your homeroom times, just talking about how distance learning is going, thinking about your well-being, the homework, the home learning matrix that's come out, and really thinking about your future. And that's really important. And I can't emphasize that enough, that we are already planning and thinking about the year ahead and how we can make your time even more enjoyable at the Collegiate American School. And that might be from doing amazing trips. And that could be obviously planning different events. That could be from lock-ins, all those different types of things that you want to do. We'd love to hear about them. So we're not far away. Send us an email. We'll happily take those on board and think about those things as we are planning. Okay? So have a fantastic week ahead. Be positive. Take advantage of the opportunity where you can get outside, stretch your legs, be safe, be sensible. That's it for me. Take care. Have a fantastic week. Thank you.